We are happy to announce the release of MSP360 Managed Backup, version 4.7. With this major release, we introduce over 100 new features, fixes, security improvements, UX enhancements, and support for new AWS regions. Watch this video to get more information on what's new in MSP360 Managed Backup, version 4.7. As part of Managed Backup, MSP360 has developed a native integration with Wasabi to offer cloud storage out of the box. This enables MSPs to buy software and cloud storage directly from MSP360 without the need to manage multiple vendors. The price for the storage remains the same as with Wasabi, $5.99 per terabyte per month, but now everything is combined into one easy-to-pay bill. Note that with this storage option, you will be charged on a per terabyte basis rather than per gigabyte. Each new user signed up for the pre-configured storage option will get 5 terabyte free for 30 days for test purposes. The feature is now in beta. Please note that beta is available for new users only. In previous versions of MSP360 Managed Backup, you had to create new builds once you had changed any configuration options, including user interface options and features enabled in the end-user software. In the new 4.7 version of MSP360 Managed Backup, we have redesigned our approach and made it easier so that you don't need to create and deploy new builds on the existing clients anymore. All settings are applied on the fly on all endpoints. You can create one software agent with global options, which will be applied to all builds. If you need to create builds with custom options, that can be done from the Organizations tab, Companies section. We have completely overhauled our advanced rebranding feature in the latest release of MSP360 Managed Backup. Previously, you were allowed to create one rebranded solution for your customers. Also, to implement the advanced rebranding, you needed to create a new software build and reinstall it on your client's endpoints. Here is what has changed. The advanced rebranding option has been moved from the Downloads tab to the Settings tab, Branding section. You can now create multiple rebranding options and apply them to different companies. Once you have applied the settings for the given branding, they will be automatically applied to the builds on the endpoints. This will work only with software builds 6.3.1 and later. All your previous rebrandings will stay intact and you will be able to find them in the new interface. Previously, you had to add endpoints to the backup destinations manually. From now on, you can easily add a backup destination on a company level, thus assigning all devices associated with that company to that backup destination in one click. We have updated the management portal to improve the user experience. We have completely redesigned the Companies tab and added more granular settings. Now you can easily define notification settings, backup editions, and other company-wide settings. This provides you with precise, single pane of glass controls and eases the overall management of the companies and users. We have improved the functionality of the backup plan notifications. Now you can create 3 layers of notifications. Global plan notifications that will affect all companies and users you are managing. This can be done from the Settings tab, Notifications section. Company plan notifications that can be set for each company from the Organizations tab, Companies section. And user plan notifications that can be set from the Organizations tab, Users section. The settings should be set on a per-user basis. As with the updated tab Companies, this update is aimed towards decreasing the overall need in manual controls and focus on new, more streamlined and automated processes. In the 4.7 update, we have redesigned the Download side panel. The process of choosing the needed build on a separate screen and manually creating its custom version is gone. From now on, to create a custom build, you simply need to turn on the switch, and in a couple of minutes, your build is ready for deployment. The last design overhaul of the 4.7 update is the Administrators tab. It has become more clear and easy to follow. To add or edit administrators, go to the Organizations tab, Administrators section. With the 4.7 update, we are making multi-factor authentication a requirement for all administrative accounts that have access to your MSP360 Managed Backup web console. The other security update is automatically generated SSL certificates for all custom domains. They are generated with the Let's Encrypt solution. We have also added the latest Amazon Web Services regions to MSP360 Managed Backup services. Now, you can create and manage buckets from AWS Africa, Cape Town region, AWS Europe, Milan region, AWS Middle East, Bahrain region. At MSP360, we aim to provide the best possible solutions to our customers. And the latest 4.7 update makes our core product more secure, easier to manage, and overall better. See you on the next release. Let us know your thoughts and suggestions on our official MSP360 forum.